yo no hago más quedada.
Hello world, I think I'm back at it again. But then again, I guess I never stop kicking that dope shit. My weed smoke blowing in the wind. It's like the money ain't changed much, cause I'm still winning. And all I can smell is defeat for me niggas. I should be handing out 2 socks and pray to myself. I don't believe in any church and its ministers. And don't listen to my bangs with a fire extinguishers. Ready, I've been ready, put it back. Right, I'm a sign with an X as if we're talking about X's. Like I'm better in bowling than in real life. Too bad I'm not a bowler. If anyone asks, tell them that I'm a great stranger with one favor. My 2 favorite words are 1 finger. So when I'm in the club, I got my own section. Sipping Jamie with another nigga's lady. I can't front, I like it from pretend though. I know you hate it when I'm flexing. I'm cashing these checks like goddamn it. Here we go again, ho. But that's what I tell a bank teller now. I got a brand new belt to spell love on it. And they forgot the O and E though. I guess when you're missing your vowels, it's more expensive. But I ain't gonna argue about tomatoes or tomatoes with none of y'all. Look at you, rich or poor, pick them both, bend them both. Look at me, look at you, rich or poor, pick them both.
Yeah, love, yeah, love. It's time to show them what I'm really on. Money, but the haters, yeah, now they gone. I've been putting all this work into every song. Let me show them what I'm really on. They don't really know what I'm on. They working around the clock, yeah, call me a done. Took me 6 whole years and hundreds of songs just to show the whole world that a boy that belong. Yeah, I belong, yeah. Write my wrongs in the songs, yeah. Hit the curve, walk with the bird. All these youngins got crazy nerves like they deserve. But out the work, I've been scoring y'all since Mama's birth. I've been absurd like JR in game 1. Pay attention to the score, I'm winning and you late, son. And I didn't wanna be the guy who used to say something, but it's time that you know that you ain't none.
Buenas.
Viene mucho a recibir.
¿Aquí? ¿Viene mucho?
Es que se pone ahí escondidito ahí la esquinita esa y vigilan todas las salinas eso, por ahí entra mucho chocolate por las salinas.
Sabrá quién, ¿verdad? Que no va a decir.
Hombre, no, y no tenéis porro ni nada, no va a decir nada.
No, hacer tonto con las motos. A ver, caballito.
Cago en Dios.
Esto te dice, mira, me venía aquí para no molestar.
Claro, para no molestar ya está, entonces para nada. Lo malo de los jalas, aquí viene muchos jalas, fuman porro y ya no me esa multa aquí también.
¿Sí? Pues aquí no he dicho nunca.
Y el calladito aunque había aquí.
I'ma show 'em what I'm on. I'ma show 'em what I'm really on. They don't really know what I'm on. Yeah, working around the clock, yeah, call me a done. Took me 6 whole years and hundreds of songs just to show the whole world that I'm yeah. Soon surpassing my idols, trapped inside the cycle. I need diamonds dancing like Michael. I do not care about Bibles. I write my own in my mind and that's the scripture. Who fucking with you when your mind 3 steps ahead like the frame outside the picture? I'm a killer on tracks and I'm realer than facts. You want a feature, but I'ma charge it with all the tax. In the galaxy, call me young superstar. Now they all wanna wonder like who we are. I get the money, I've been working now. They don't say that the boy, oh he been working now. I've been faithful, way before the churches now. But who is gonna be the one to really...
Eso es de los antiguos, ¿qué?
Lo que dan cancerígeno de eso.
Uralita.